Yeah, for me, I took some time. I put together a mind map, got a free one via mindmeister.com. And I put myself at the top of it and I created an org chart because I'm a company of one and I do outsource a few tasks. But I kind of started creating buckets of everything that I do so that I can see the whole process visually because I'm a very visual person. And then now what I'm doing is I'm just picking off certain projects and tasks and seeing if there's other things I can outsource. And starting on Mondays, I started doing this 3 weeks ago, 4 hours every Monday morning. All I do is I look at that org chart and I try to figure out how can I simplify my week. Because I heard a quote recently and it was just based, and you probably heard this too, you can't, time is not a renewable resource, money is. You can always make more money, but you can't get time back. And that's kind of the way I try to look at my business now is how can I focus on time, getting more of it because it's not a renewable resource. And then the more of that I get, I think that there is going to be momentum behind that because then I have more time to think and be more strategic rather than just do.